How to disable WhatsApp linked device and secure your WhatsApp account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today's video I'll be showing you how you can disable WhatsApp linked device and secure your WhatsApp account. In order to disable your WhatsApp linked device, first of all, update your application. Open up a WhatsApp. After that, click on the three dot icon located right on top and click on linked device. Right over here, if your account is linked to any other devices, then you'll be able to see it right over here. So you need to click on the linked device. For example, let's say that if your WhatsApp account is connected to your laptop, then you'll need to tap on it, and after that click on the remove button or sign out. After that, the account will be removed from that particular device. Once you've unlinked the device, you'll need to next go to your home page. Once again, click on the three dot icon, go to settings. Over here, go to privacy, and you'll need to scroll down a bit and click on fingerprint lock. Unlock with fingerprint. So toggle the switch and give your fingerprint, which is right at the bottom. After that, you'll need to select whatever the timing is and you need to go back. The WhatsApp is only going to open with your fingerprint. Once you've done that, once again go to the privacy status, go to privacy. Again, you'll need to go back to the settings page, click on account. You're enable two-factor verification, or maybe you can just set a password. So click on two-factor and click on turn on. You'll need to create a 6-digit pin so that you can remember it. So type in whatever the information that you wish to. After that, once again confirm it, and you'll need to enter in the email address so that you can recover your password if you forget. So in this way you can set up a two-step verification, and that is how you can disable WhatsApp linked device and secure your WhatsApp account. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.